Hello again, I hope you understood the last lesson easily. In this lesson we will fill in the DTO layer, data transfer object layer. Before filling in the inside, I would like to tell you about a package. The package is called AutoMapper. It will automatically perform the matches that we make one by one in our entities and properties. We need a package for this. The name of our package is AutoMapper. We need to install this package on the presentation layer. Right click presentation layer, manage nugget packages and browse AutoMapper. I will choose AutoMapper. This package automapper.extensions.microsoft.dependency injection is deprecated. Pay attention here. And I will choose only AutoMapper version latest stable 13.0.1 install. I'm waiting for installing. And AutoMapper is ready, as you can see. Dependencies, packages, AutoMapper is ready, version 13.0.1. Now it's time for the classes and properties in the data transfer object layer. The DTO layer will also provide us with the following. We were previously using an entity for all operations. In other words, we did both adding, updating, listing, and fetching according to ID value through an entity. And here each of these operations will be written separately. You can say the following. Teacher, isn't this method long? Yes, it's definitely long, but more sustainable. Shortcut is of course important for us, but sustainability is more important. We should pay attention to the folder structure while adding our classes to the DTO layer. That's why we need to define a separate folder for each entity. I will not create DTO classes for category and product class. For now, maybe we can refactor in the feature. First, we can start with slider class. Let's create a folder. Right click DTO layer, add new folder. Our folder name is DTOs. Okay. And right click, add new folder. Our first DTOs folder name is slider DTOs. Okay, good. We need all the properties in the class, but first result name is usually used in listing operations. This is not rule, so you can give a different name. Right click slider DTOs, add a new class. Our first class name is for DTO layer. I'm waiting for come. Result slider DTO. I want to again say result name is usually used in listing operations. This is not a rule, so you can give a different name for listing. Okay, we need all the properties in the class. If you work a larger class, then you can use only the properties you need. For example, you have a large product table. There are 40 properties in it. For example, you will work for the warehouse manager. Here you need product ID, product name, product shelf number, product barcode, and maybe product image. Another example. I hope you understand. Let's write our code. Access modifier change to public. Okay. Go to entity layer. Slider is here. Copy all properties and paste it. Okay, our result slider DTO is ready for mapping. Okay, good. We need second details. Right click, add new class, create slider detail, and public paste. We don't need slider ID because this is identity and automatic increase. We need only title and image URL for create slider. Okay, right click, add new class. Our third class is update slider detail. We need all properties this here, and right click, add class. This is fourth class, name is get by ID slider detail, and change to public. Okay, slider ID, title, and image URL. Good. Our slider details is ready. We can create another details. For example, about. Right click, details folder, add new folder. Our folder name is about details. And right click, add new class. Our class name is result about detail. Okay, go to about detail for about entity, copy and paste, change to public. Good. And right click about details folder, class. Our class name is create about detail, public. We don't need about ID. Right click, add new class. Our class name is update about detail. Okay, change to public, and our about detail is ready. Right click, add new class. Finally, we need get by ID about detail, public. This method is long but sustainable. Okay, good. Okay, that's enough. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.